Welcome student. In today's topic we learn about the industry. Industry, it is the business activity which relates to production, processing or fabrication of product is called as industry. Industry produce two types of goods, consumer goods and producer goods. The goods which are used finally by the customer, then it is called as consumer goods. Tablet, capsule, injections, these are the consumer goods. And producer goods, the goods which are used to produce the another product, then it is called as producer goods. For example, tablet punching machine, injection filling machine, capsule filling machine, they are all comes under the producer goods. Now we have to see the classification of industries. Industries are classified in main four types based upon type of good produced, size and investment, capital employed and official classification. Based upon the type of good produced, industries again classified in four types: extractive industry, genetic industry, construction industry and manufacturing industry. Manufacturing industry again get classified into four types: analytical industry, synthetic industry, processing industry and assembly line industry. Based upon the size and investment, industries get classified in two types: light industry and heavy industry. Depending upon the capital employed, industry is classified again in two types: large scale industry and small scale industry. And finally it is the official classification. Now we have to learn one by one. Depending upon the types of good produced, the classification of industries. First, it is the extractive industry, the industry which are engaged to obtain the wealth from soil, air, water or beneath the surface of earth by the process of extraction. They are called as extractive industry, like fishing, mining, agricultural. These are the industries which extract the product from soil, air, water or from the beneath earth. Second, it is the genetic industry. These are the industry which are involved in production or multiplying the certain species of plant or animal to earn the profit by selling them. For example, breeding farms, poultry farms or nursery. These industry carry out the multiplication of species or plants to earn the profit. Construction industry, they are engaged in construction of building, road, dams, etc. The product of construction industry is not for the sale. Last, it is the manufacturing industry, the industry which are engaged in conversion of raw material or semi-processed material into the finished goods or finished product, then it is called as manufacturing industry. Manufacturing industry is again divided into four types. First, it is the analytical industry, the industry which are engaged in separating the different elements from the one component, then it is called as analytical industry. This analytical industry carried out the analysis by separating two or more than two elements from one compound. For example, fractional distillation of crude oil. Second, synthetic industry, the industry which are involved in combination of different elements to produce a new product. Two or more than two elements are combined together and make a new product. It is a synthetic industry. For example, manufacturing of benzoic acid by the oxidation of benzyl alcohol, it is the carried out by the synthetic industry. Processing industry, the industry which are engaged in conversion of raw material into the final product through the different manufacturing stages. For example, pharmaceutical industry or paper industry. Fourth, it is the assembly line industry. These are industry which are engaged in combining or assembling the different parts which are already manufactured by other industry to make a new product. They are called as assembly line industry. For example, computer, scooter, two-wheeler, four-wheeler all comes under the assembly line industry. The part which are already get manufactured, they combine together and produce a new product. It is the assembly line industry. Then classification based upon the size and investment. Light industry and heavy industry. Light industry, the industry in which there is a small capital investment and short production cycle, then it is called as light industry. Example, rubber caps, manufactured industry, tin container manufactured industry comes under the light industry. Heavy industry, the industry which required the big capital and longer production cycle, they are called as heavy industries. For example, steel industry or aeronautical industry which require the longer production cycle and huge investment. Then third, classification based upon the capital employed, depending upon the capital employed, number of workers employed, machineries, tools, the value of these all, the industries get classified on small scale industry and large scale industry. Small scale industry when the investment is below the 10 lakh, and large scale industry when investment is more than 10 lakh. And last is official classification. This classification is carried out by the government to give the licenses to the industries depending upon the Industrial Act 1951. The types, depending upon the types of product produced, this official classification is carried out. Like for example, soap industry, toilet product preparation industry, cosmetic industry, pharmaceutical industry, they are different industries. To give the license, official classification is carried out by the government. Thank you. This is the end of first chapter, introduction.